You don't even think about it. Let me just take you outside with this thing. It's dark out right now. I'm in the city. I'll probably freak out a lot of neighbors, but let's run outside and check this sucker out. You can see how much light it puts out. Check out the way it lights up these treetops. Like I said, I'm still in the city. The neighbors are probably going to be like, what the fuck? But just look at the canopy from this tree above, from this tiny little light. I mean, that's at least 50, 45, 50 feet up there. That's my office, as you can see. Pretty cool. A lot of light for a tiny little flashlight.